unfortunately, I dropped it, and so the wheels are broken. For you new people, you're probably thinking, oh my God, every single demo, it's a robot that doesn't work. Well, with one exception. So I'm going to turn him on anyway, just to see what happens, because I'm curious. He's already fallen and destroyed himself. But last year, gold medal winner, and this year, bronze medal winner. Nice. So, and it's like the cheap first robot.
Mott-Bot.
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 If you're going to be here next month, build one, because then you can get your certificate for your tabletop.
Say Mott-Bot.
And why is it called the Mott-Bot?
You're a shill. When I initially bought all the parts from China, the one thing that didn't show up were the casters. And it kept tipping, and I was eating some Mott's applesauce and realized that the container was the exact height for a caster. So I glued it on there and it worked perfectly. So that's why it's called Mott-Bot. I don't know what it's going to do because everything is loose because I dropped it. That's the problem with popsicle stick and super glue construction. But we'll see what happens.
Wow.
Wow, it still runs even disconnected.
Wow.
Yay.
Yay.
I don't want it to run very
Are you still doing your machine learning algorithm?
Last year, it was, believe it or not, neural networks running on an Arduino Nano. Very complicated code. It won the gold. I decided to go the opposite. Very, very simple. All it does is sees the edge, turn away. See the edge, turn away. So this is 21 lines of code.
Oh, the wheel's going.
He wants it to fall.
I'm gonna. There we go. That's what you can do for a few dollars worth of parts. Also, we started a robot arm challenge, and my nature is to build robots as cheaply as possible. So this is just actually five SG90 servos that you can get for a few dollars each, 3D printed parts, and again, Arduino Nano. And I don't have software for it yet, but next month for the challenges for the robot arm, it will be able to pick up things and sort them. So if you're interested in building a really cheap arm or a really cheap tabletop robot, come see me.
Yay.
So, hi everyone. We're from... Huh?
Hello.
So we're from the San Jose City Job Corps Robotics Club. And I guess some of you know us from last month. I mean, what is it? We had, what, 7 members last time? We're almost up to 20 members now in a month.
Nice.
So we got a bunch of new members. I'm happy. And so as you can see, this robot is the first one completed out of the 3 we had. Although it does look like the cord is sticking through that. That's because I don't like that thing. I had it on, connected, and that thing, when we were trying to sort the code out to make it moved on its own where we didn't want it to. That's why I call it Bugger, because it bugs out. And
That looks like AliExpress. Is that AliExpress kit?
No, it's we got that one from Amazon.
$60, although we got it on sale for what, 30?
Yeah.
You know, so didn't spend much. It was supposed to be $60, but save. And then you want to talk about yours?
So mine is its name is Slackyo. I was able to compete in this year's Robo Games for the first time,
Nice.
and I got lucky enough to get silver. So for my first competition, Brazil beat me by 4 seconds. So next year I'll get them.
They're tough.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Well, that's my balancing robot. It's running on a Nano. I'm using HM10 Bluetooth modules for the remote control. Oh, you see here. There you go. See here.
All right, phase
So you better
one.
be ready to pick that up.
Trust me,
I
Rear
don't
dropped
have
it a
it.
couple times.
Yes.
We were showing off.
Yes, but I was able to get silver, so now next year I will be competing for the balancing robot again and see if we can beat Brazil.
Yay.
Yeah.
If only.
Actually, one of the things that I wanted to talk to you guys about is last month we talked to you guys about how we started the club, and I was like, well, we don't want to wait until next year to compete again. So what we did, we came up with our own competition. So we started. So we're gonna have a robotics competition on October 26th. We invited plenty of high school. We invited 2 districts: San Jose Unified District
Police
and Eastside
fire.
Unified District as well. So they got about 10 schools each. We invited 2 colleges and the police department. So they're
You didn't
gonna.
get
So
the fire
hopefully,
department?
police department. Not the fire department yet, but the police department. We were able to get them to make a robot and compete. But we also wanted to invite you guys to compete. So we have 4 challenges. We're gonna do, so these are quite similar to the ones at the robot games. It's just the arenas might be a little bigger. Now, if you want more information, we'll pass those out. It's 4 challenges. The first one is the tabletop, the line following, balancer, and walker. And I wanted to make them easy because I know that there's high schools are going to be competing, so we didn't want to make it too difficult. So if you want to compete, let me know. I'll give you a flyer. But if you don't want to compete and you want to volunteer and be a judge, then also let me know because we need judges too.
You don't want to be biased to our own students, you know?
Yeah, because we can't host a competition and then judge it too. So we do need some judges. So if you want more information, just let me know. I'll give you a flyer. It has my email on it, so you can contact me directly, and we'll go over the rules, the details. And you have a question?
Don't leave these laying around.
No,
you get a
no.
medal.
So you get a medal and bragging rights. Now the cool thing about it that it's completely free, so you don't have to pay anything for registration. Now you are going to get a medal and you get bragging rights.
I
Yeah.
would suggest if you could just post the flyer on our news group.
Okay, I will
That
definitely
way
do that.
everybody gets it who didn't
Yes.
show up or.
And I think I did mention it, and I got about 3 emails from some of you.
You should do it like once a month after every club meeting.
I'll do it once. Okay, I'll do that. So because I did post it, and I got a couple of people respond to me, which I really appreciate. But if any of you guys want to be a part of it, or want to be a judge, let us know. Okay?
We need
Just San
judges.
Jose Junior College?
No, it's a federal school.
What's the
San
name?
Jose City College, so job corps,
Yeah,
you know.
it's a federal school that.
San Jose Job Corps, is
Yeah.
that the name? Okay.
Yeah, it's a federal school that provides vocational training for kids 16 to 24.
Mm.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank